How to remove favorites on your Instagram account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. We'll go first and open Instagram. Then when Instagram is opening, you will just go down here on your profile and click. Then you will go to this three line and click again, and then you will go to favorites, and here this is a list of your favorites. Like I wanna remove someone. For example, I will remove this, and for example I will remove this also like this, and then I will back. Then I remove someone of my favorites on Instagram. And that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next